Here's what I learned from 1 week of posting content each and every day. Number 1, make notes. Just hit record. As you go about your day, open some kind of notes app on your phone or sit down for 10 to 15 minutes and keep a journal of all of the ideas that come to mind as you're going. Now, this really helped me because sitting down and actually just trying to figure out what I was going to post every day sucked up a lot of time, and time is not something that we all have a ton of. Number 2, make it easy on yourself. For me, that means posting just a 2-minute short, which took a lot of the preparation work out of trying to plan a full-length video. For you, it might be something different, but I encourage you to try to set a goal and stick to something that's attainable so that you can kind of get going and build some momentum. Number 3, don't over-edit. For me, I spent a lot of time watching YouTube videos on how to edit this and that. I tried a ton of different editing apps for captions and music, and the best app that I actually found was CapCut. It allowed me to easily add captions and music and just kind of get into the flow of quickly recording and editing content every day. Number 4, consistency builds habits. I started waking up every day, and the thought of getting to post something and share my thoughts with others who might be struggling with similar things actually became kind of a motivator for me to post content. And so I encourage you to give it a shot and try to commit to something that you can do every single day. And eventually it kind of becomes second nature. The more you do it, the more good you get at doing that thing. It's going to be really hard when you first start to come up with something to say, but over time, you'll kind of fall into a rhythm. Things will get easier. You'll get more comfortable speaking on camera, and your videos can only improve from there. So stay consistent. Number 5, speaking on camera is something that everybody kind of struggles with at first. We all don't really like hearing the sound of our own voice, and I believe that there's actually some science behind why that is. But the more you hear yourself speak, the more concise you get at expressing your thoughts. And I think it really gets you over the beginner's hurdle of, I'm only going to post when something's perfect, right? The time is never going to be perfect. You're never going to sound perfect. Building this habit of hearing yourself speak, trying to iterate on that, and then keep going every single day and improving your dictation and whatever it takes, you're going to eventually get to a point where you do feel comfortable and you've kind of overcome that hurdle. If you found this, chances are it wasn't a coincidence. You might be also embarking on a similar journey. And so I want to challenge you to join this 90-day content creator challenge with me. If you're in and you sound up to it, please drop a comment below with the words "I'm in." And by doing that, I'll follow you and do my best to support you on your journey as well, because that's the whole reason that I'm doing this, to build a community of like-minded people and try to offer some guidance along the way as I'm figuring things out. So I'm happy to support you, and congratulations on starting this journey. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow.